Sure, here's a script for your YouTube channel Car Garage, focused on the 2025 Toyota Supra gearshift. Welcome back to Car Garage, where we take you inside the world of the most exciting cars on the market. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new Vaso. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated sports cars of the year. The 2025 Toyota Supra. Toyota has truly outdone itself with the latest iteration of this iconic car. So, let's get into the details and see what makes this Supra stand out. Let's start under the hood. The 2025 Supra comes equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, capable of producing 382 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of torque. This means the Supra can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds, making it faster than ever before. Toyota has also given the Supra's suspension system a few upgrades to improve handling. Whether you're on the track or cruising through the streets, the car responds to every twist and turn with incredible precision. The adaptive dampers, which are now standard across all trims, offer a smoother ride and even better control at higher speeds. One of the most exciting changes in the 2025 model is the new manual transmission option, catering to driving purists who crave that direct connection between driver and machine. The manual option is available on the 3.0-liter variant, making it perfect for those who want the ultimate driving experience. Moving to the design, Toyota has kept the aggressive, aerodynamic look that fans of the Supra love. But for 2025, we get sharper lines, a revised front bumper, and new LED headlamps that give the car a more modern and menacing appearance. The rear end has also been updated with sleeker taillights and an integrated spoiler for improved aerodynamics. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Supra feels like a true sports car. The low-slung seats keep you firmly planted during sharp turns, while the 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes with all the tech you'd expect: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Plus, the digital driver's display gives you all the information you need right in front of you, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Toyota has packed the 2025 Supra with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, so you can enjoy the thrill of driving without compromising on safety. And now, let's talk about price. The 2025 Toyota Supra starts at around $54,000 for the 3.0-liter variant, while the base 2.0-liter version starts at just over $44,000. If you're looking for the ultimate performance, there's also the GR Supra and 91D edition, which comes with some exclusive design elements and performance tweaks, pushing the price closer to $60,000. To sum it up, the 2025 Toyota Supra continues to build on the legacy of its predecessors, offering the perfect balance of power, design, and modern technology. Whether you're a long-time fan or new to the Supra name,